NDC in Aquatia activate. NDC in Aquatia activate. This is the voice of Honorable Bawumia. All cameras should be activated from tonight. Oba eye Aquatia obi ehwe Kevin Taylor. Yimumi enwura Aquatia na ehwe de ekoso ewa Aquatia. If you say insem bebre e na ekoso Aquatia. Aquatia emeburu no ehwe me anadwi. Aquatia e na Aquatia ene yewura.
No krane nyankopon enim. Empuntuo nti na yeto aba no. Empuntuo enu nti na yeto aba no. Yembeto aba ne se yekọ galam se yemu. Ya brasa me yanto. Me yantu. Na mu be campaign bi a wo se galam se. Ade so ye hia mpuntuo. Ye meya mo sha asie. Ye de galam se sho mo ambeda ko school. Eti ye hia MP a oyi okpuritim abobil. A wa ko school. Na onim mbra. Anu ana ebe yiri no na ba. Sa na ebe ye ma no so. Ebe sua se ye MP a oba ye. Otutu na na mo yi okọ school etu yesu ebe yire ye ho ni akọ school ni MP ba na otu galam say ya yesu ya man ba the same na ya command ye kwa na say ye ba MP ba na otu galam say oh Samuel Samuel ono de ne campaign o ye nyina wo say ye nto aba ne ma no na sa ne ebe ya oba galam say na ye tu ye be yire ye ho ato na so ye pa ye mada achi ye pa ye ma ye yonti ese de Bernard neba se ne ba ya ye madache no ye chiri ma no enso benya asase no edidi so
as simple as that. Solo gala and in bad time Aquatia NPP for Jamaica ai ena solo de munim me buziafo me de maboa munim ze me nye adwuma me na kakaka maboa bia he wabodam enti mode mekọ aban mu a na me nso me asono kakra nsisi so solo as wabodam osoro wa half shoe no de na Aquatia osoro na wa half shoe no de na Aquatia ai so okọ nsanse has to bonsa no oshe half shoe de na Aquatia na media maye bi pa na me de misika na me ko support to NPP na omo se me mra enti usika enti wabodam kura ye ma media MP why you seek am kwasiafo we wi a e by force so be MP now mumye ndwedwam wa ha na yenko enim sa utie solo anu asem ni bi sometimes na esa na wano waso wa dey osiafem now bibi ekoso Aquatia me pese Aquatia mebunu no ehu you see NPP for omo ya ade bi Aquatia ma mutie me anadwi muntie me. We NPP will treat any marked individual at Aquatia as thugs. And the NPP catch the Ghana for say, Omo NPP, Omo who say Obi eshe mask ewa Aquatia, Omo treating se konfo udini NPP. Abuobia kakenkon, ama kenkon nya malaria. NPP for say, Omo mom and the Omo NPP akromfo thugs no. Bryan Acheampong NPP no omo momo ende omo say so omo so bi she mask wa Aquatia omo be bonu kunu omo bu ne kunu ebi so omo pese obi abehye mask NPP Kennedy Japan NPP Bryan Acheampong NPP sa NPP we are now ade bia omo yesisi an say since say NDC for start your campaign maintain say NDC for agina baby aka say obi baba Aquatia be kuntokwa Obi Aquatia abesha mask. The NDC is just campaigning and telling the people don't be to my yamomo. But for some reason, NPP4 are on the defense. I just say, Omuni obi kuntokwa. I say, Obi babu omo. Police for 5,000 yaso bakogu Aquatia. It's a problem pass and the same beam. So your party are ready to be winning elections. Now say the government of the day. Na say IGP nika say me the police for 5,000 eba abebo election ho ban. Why should you be worried? You should be happy. You should collaborate. You should cooperate. You should make sure say o message na cut down. You should not even worry about anything. That ben ye election or Ghana Police Service swap police for 5,000 echo one constituency. But under NDC Ghana Police Service, led by the IGP, almost swap police for about 5,000. So at this point, I'm even surprised, I'm shocked to say, when the NPP get any opportunity to speak, they speak as if say, Obi Bayomu Bibi. Why? NDC ba power, NDC for police biya. And the NDC 9 months we recruit police biya. The IGP and the no Ekufuado MPP and the to be deputizing a dampari. It's the same people that you left, they are the same people who are going to manage these elections. I had to say MPP for no be on tokwa. Me who say NDC Libya Jina baby I can say and wear a mask, they are just campaigning because they want a free, fair election. To be winnie. So nim so be winnie election. That's how he has seat in the power on can't talk on so nim so be winnie elections. So ball. Now him say, oh team I be winnie. You don't worry yourself about the referee. You don't worry about the linesman. You know on the pitch you can deliver. But when him say MPP for be. Amo dada eye MPP for Aquatia no. MPP for himself party ne gu. MPP for doing Aquatia for Jimmy. It's right now what they are trying to do is say they are trying to create chaos where there is no chaos. Where is the chaos? Since they say Yera Aquatia say Obia kwa campaign, maintain say wo bi sekan. Maintain say NDC ni MPP for bia ko share obia bo bituo. Maintain say police akwachi NDC for ni MPP for bia omugu dem omuku omo. So far everything has been peaceful. I don't understand why MPP for message Aquatia and say, yeah, Obi Besha mask, Obi Botuo. Why are they so scared? Is it because of what they used to do when they were in power? Omujin said Obi Beye the same thing now. Because from the way they speak, I say no more in opposition, in power, until you were doing the same thing. Until you were using the police to do what? To intimidate people. Ebia now with the police, because adiomu ya obi antiasie. Now tiasembi. Listen to this guy.
Currently in front of the Presbyterian Church of Ghana, the Emmanuel congregation in Aquatia. Well, the National Peace Council was expected to have a meeting with the political parties, but then what happened was that when the MPP got here, they met with the NDC's constituency executives. According to the MPP, they were expecting to meet the national executives of the NDC. So then they stormed off, and their reason was that until they meet the national executives of the NDC, there wouldn't be any meetings.
And then the national youth organizer, Salah Mustafa. Only for us to see the representative from the NDC side. All of them are constituency officers, constituency organizer, deputy secretary also. We are of the view that the representative from the NDC side clearly cannot commit the NDC to any peace process regarding the Akwatia ByElection. We raised this preliminary objection before the meeting commenced, and we also requested that there is a need for the NDC to be fully represented by their national executives. Other than that, we will not be able to take part in this process.
So after that, all these two parties stormed off. The
MPP for the Peace Council for free meeting Aquatia. MPP for Momra, NDC for Momra. MPP for say Omukodru constituency executives are who are in charge of the constituency elections. Yeah, elections or constituency. Say national. Every Accra bedru Aquatia. Without the constituency executives, they can't do anything. Technically, the elections are happening with Aquatia. It is in the hands of the constituency because it is their field. Now, MPP for we go meeting NDC constituency executives who are representing their party officially. They could not say none of the people sitting there NDC for. None of the people sitting there, they don't have any official capacity in the NDC. Into Omudru say where your constituency executives into your meeting no. Can be in the nim I say two galam say also. I said the pickers. I say two galams. I say excavator ye juma hana hwenenim. And Sankosiafo they are lying to go for Aquatia. For them to just sit and sign an agreement to say, yeah, to trust them. Yeah, nkodin kwasiasem. Yeah, mfa etuo emewura Aquatia no. They are avoiding that part. Because they want to, at the end of the day, turn around and say, so obi buomo. almost santuo akogu wurem. Sa eye solo ne nko from ye galamsey no. Mama pump actions say they should be on standby. So they cannot sign any document. Waba to NDC for party a constituency party. Waba to constituency executives who were elected by the NDC to come and sit in a meeting now. Or say, open NDC national chairman Aquatia. What are they saying to get national chairman? Aquatia, yeah, executive, national executive, do you know where they were? The people sitting there, could you tell Ghana for say, NDC for? They are in charge of the constituency. Technically, they are the representatives of the people in the constituency. If the party has given the constituency executives that respect and told them, say, Mona Munimas Asiweso, Mona election efamohu, yadi efrin kaineba, you people should sit in the meeting. What stops the NDC from bringing their also constituency executives to meet the NDC constituency executives? What was stopping Nanabi Kwasiawe from calling the NPP constituency executives to also come and sit there? But you see, these are some of the games they are playing. They are playing these games because they don't want to be honest with NPP from Aquatia. Say party they cannot win the elections unless it's Butuo. So they are avoiding Bibia Ebema election way smoothly. Young boy, Nanabi Menini channel. Nenima papo. Nenima papo se mpiu. Nenima papo se mankeni agumpi wenim. Nenima ase agalam se wenim. Kwasiampanyi we waste obia time. The whole peace council comes to sit there. Na Jimmy wa jefua. Ahimfubu asantimemu. Amana tonton. Eye aban asaso asantimemu no. Ena hwene kwasia. Hwasemi a oka. Na MPP for muni executive members. Constituency executives. Don't you have constituency executives? Mufri Accra. Mufri Mujantra for the ncham ho kankan bedru Aquatia no. Enya Aquatia MPP executive de receive mo. So what stops you people from telling them to come and sit in a meeting? MPP omo Jimmy. Now you see, they are now singing war songs. That is their mind. Omo person mo create this atmosphere say Aquatia bombo betu bombo bianto. Ochina Ghana for mo Aquatia betu aba peacefully obia honka. They also ya bema no otu aduano onye ken e Aquatia. Ochina, and I want to assure every single person of Aquatia, say also to aba come out, but all bad intentions are stay home. Because the police no more on the board Ghana for home buying. Into why you say MPP ni, obeko police station, obe create anything, and the towadaka sifie because you will not go back home. The police is there to protect Aquatia irrespective of party and war. It is a MPP ni ready. If they think say they can start this kind of tension in a system, they want to create because Aquatia for no, we have never heard say Aquatia MPP ni Aquatia NDC kuntokwa yantibida. Before these elections, time na NSKumi wo ho no yanti say MPP ni NDC for kuntokwa. Until this time no enya election when obi ba beka cha me say MPP for bi ni NDC for bi beko, whoever starts any chaos is an enemy of the people and the police will have to deal with that person mercilessly. Sanipan doesn't have to go back home. In this Edward Aquatia ne anadwi na wadwe so your macho man yeba boom macho no be moa yeba buo kuwesie o macho no ebe yira enti so wadwe o say kwasie bia ka jo say hey wo de ho edin kwa Aquatia yeba buo twawuti wo de try it and see me see so your bema now we MPP mu brabe sign also on sign you have started drumming the war drums and then tokobesi they also your bema now just sing the tank top and ho edin no Ochina onyi nani. Sir, mena mho den, mena meko kontokwa, mena meko yaba buoku, yaba cool flat. Because you see, the Aquatia people no, enkwara, impenifo, ahemfo, embabawa, embrewa, omu hiaye, omu hu hia Ghana fo, yapese a bo omu hu ban. In this area Ghana ni na against politics inti, obetume wura Aquatia, akodim kwasesema, yaba bu eku ahyew. Mento sabi. Because a man from Aquatia no, whether MPP or NDC or obi ahu hiame. Into more MPP for now, mona my imagine say you are going to create some impression. You see, listen to Tio Omoka Sebi Omoka. This is Kennedy Japan. Okwa Aquatia no muntie ne kasebia oka. Come out. All right.
We are going to protect every voter in this constituency. And make sure, sir, Obia casting a vote. Abra and Tokwa NCA. We are law-abiding party. Ne momno omu disia yebe cha. Obia nyebe mancha obia. Ya mami enyi nsa ya bosume nkron. Wa wo dia pa wo kra na wa bosume tu. Adenti na atira ma nipa dasani esisi. The mesra mo e brother munya kukudro. Na mkodi line no so. No bia tunaba. Sa utu abani wiya. Me ba e metie mo nyumu ya mo boy. Osie wuo. Mo bonesi a mo kire se ampa. Mo koko na mo nsuro bia. E bono mi ensa obi a megina police station. Na won hwe bi. Na fe yan hwe mema. Omsi o ma be tam ballot boxes na akọ.
Kennedy ojina we on say yare for ma. Wakojina Aquatia. Ne babia ni wa o Ghana ha. Ne ba tintin a nanim se on na draw teletabis Kwasiampe nyi so ton akokɔ yi. Kwasiampe odi di n'echi. Wa ama ne ba na mba Aquatia ho bio. Kennedy Japan Mike ontumi so Mike mu. Ne nsa nyina stroke acheche ne nsa. Wa ne bosa dansan abegina ho. De oye be ma no. Ana ojimi mebunu no ho. Owie watena ne ka mu abetena nkran. Weyiyi ne sinegu glass mu. Kennedy said, "Open na no se panyan ne se. Obeka hello Kennedy Japan. What do mumba ebo ne se panyan. Ultimate commercial president. Akwa we abegina se ne boa ne lack of stand time abegina say, "Ai and obi be fa a ballot box. Why never for ballot box?" Kwasiato uni message. And NPP for no emre du so mo bedin kwasiasama de bia woni yuzu. Why on party kuraba? Yanko botuo woni ebeba udin. Yanko etutrasam woni ebeba udin. Why won sa rough for begina kekan kwasiasam wo baban na Aquatia ho. Da ben na wo Kennedy wo tesa Aquatia ni bi kontokwa wa Aquatia. Da ben na wo Kennedy yeti krom ha me yebo nipa tuo election 2020 nipa wotwe. Why wanu ebu ogum wentuma nka ho asem besi nne wanu ebu ogum se abrowa bi baby wentuma mbie wanu anka ho asem wote Ghana ne ye bonko photo ablekuma ayawaso west. Why utisa vin abegina kekan kwase asem fa wo bana na bodwe se odro teletabis ne megina Aquatia no onye polling agent. Ande na wo ba no wo mana wo magu apsaprete no once se omo so omo nkoye polling agent e wa Aquatia obi dia ne ban bodwe wo kekan kwase asem wo to aba Aquatia wo Kennedy ye mema ene ye wo bema wen wo Kennedy wo abasa wen ena amanfo mba na wo kan omwogum obi ya se obeba ya ntwema no wo abasa ye de to tai wo Kennedy wo abasa ye som de to tai wo yare hwe de waye me imagine say men kan wasem because at a point I saw you say na wo resimba but they say de bia no edu point bi NPP for pagimini e use ni pani atamo de waba wo ya bema wo Kennedy me sa bo bo a wo betuma nante ya de ensem say bo bo sa ginechira wo Kennedy wo betuma nante oje Mike ankwase akeka wabodwu kran to me mfu I say you lack the balanced diet. You lack balanced diet. Wabodwu kran to me mfu ye mobo na Bawumia jimi way and amudi nkwase asem wo Ghana why na ekun Aquatia who and who you are the people making the work of the police difficult because you are making it look like say there are some people sitting somewhere who are coming to distract the elections. Who and who? You want to call yourself a statesman. Of we open President Teddy, you speculate and you use that to cause problems. The same question now, what the Ahmed Swale better TV so we also you were speculating, you were not sure, and will be back we what's up general say nipe before ballot box, kwasia be na before ballot box no. Obana and the name funa why green na na nkran no. Ade na fa na be party agent. Mo Jimmy na mo Jimmy nkofo ma. And a mo Jimmy nkofo ma, ye ma mo chance kakra, e kire NPP ehu Jimmy Sam ne atam wa besi wo. Wo Kennedy, wo betuma ya dankoma so edin 3. Wo Kennedy ápon. Adankoma so edin, wo betuma ya 3. Wa be gina na na ye bema na obi betam. Why you are always inciting people? De bia una ultimate inciting confo to go cause chaos. De bia MPP na yuzu. Unsue nyansa hu nyansa. Just say, what dear, unyini no na ujimi more. Who say they can't use me to incite anybody because these statements you are making, you are trying to create the impression. Say, yo ni pebi omuti baby omo ballot box. Do you have evidence to that? Kwasi akasa wenumu basa keka jimisam unimu nyansa. As you grow and you don't think, you are not smart. You are so daft. Just say you speak like a child. Stupid, careless, reckless statement every single day. You are able to build something small. Now do Jimmy Adriegu. So this statement you are making, or evidence weighing, who and who have planned to come and pick ballot box. Because what you are woman there, kotobu omugu America. Omudu omunya America tina. Obabi eni wakwa SS da. Ukodu Aquatia, she mebunu bra omo bre 8 years o MPP nkwasia MPP no contract dodo a wunya e montu Nketiah dwuma obia Aquatia. Why wa budget say span abegina say an ena nkofo ba befa nkofo ben. Muhu fini Jimmy, you cannot separate yourself. Just say adeba kwa why no, you have been doing it hard to date. Metufu etufu. I say u Jimmy no, unyini na u Jimmy more. Metufu say, do not allow the NPP to use you as a dog. When now the primaries no? Is this what Obesia Jinaso and the Tuabama Okowi about president no? You are speculating on such a sensitive thing? Now Muntie Abozegi Jimmy so.
Election, Nesaka, Wapaba, Samba 2024, Ena, Yamishira so, Ena, Unya. Akomiano, but Onya Akomiano, NPPs for Case, Omo Peneso, Moka say, Aquatia Nodi, election no, Kudin Kudin, into what in court. Court na sem no, now to mean that it is a Nketiah, and the pressure na a cost. Court no be a sem no ye. June 11th for a court to say only the rightfully elected member of parliament for Aquatia. So as 26 days per and free. 26 days. They are not any lawyer or any within a court. So I will not say now also original I'm not in this before. Let me say 24 for election. Nessa.
Asimesusu ko do Aquatia. Just mo MPP for there. Mo dey Jimmy dey ice jacket. Jimmy mu kente and ma pam na up and down. Asimesusu Jimmy. Onu su ko do I on the one no ma petesia hede why. Inkremoni obesu ansanom. Onum ni Jimmy mu. Ye hwe anu anom ni nyina onum ni peace o. Otwe anu anom bra na de besen atoso. Wo Bawumia ne Ekufuado mo start 19 na start no monsa. Hwe nkwasesem ya okoko gina Aquatia ka. Ai eneskumino sebio election na NDC for man pressure and wewu. Hwe nkwase akeka. Afi we doctor. The autopsy report e ka say NDC for the kuno. Just say mwejimi. Mwejimi. Ye tumufu amonte. Ya advice mu amonte. Ya advice no na mo de monsasha moto na mutiti moto mu ya na da fa mutiri hu sakora no. Wo Bawumia, you were the head of the police council when you were in power. Mahamadu. Muna fiki Mahamadu. Wo American Muslim. Wo you preko no monsa. When the NPP were in power, you were the head of the police council. Ya boni patuo wa Ghana, ayawaso West Wagon. Ya boni patuo Techiman South. Ya boni patuo kwa kunipa wa boko, ya kusasi for, otina Ghana, hawembie wano. Oya nguso ya Jimmy, ena wosa Jimmy. And the wasabe jina ha say, and eskumi wuna uwu ya no, and this for the kuno. Wait Jimmy, you are a statesman. You don't make such fake stories, statements. No. Intiende, adebia to. Naso bibe jina ho, eka bibi sa achira wo yeria, ebe ode. Are you foolish? Are you people, you are no intelligent crowd. Is that how you do politics? Into wenti, Aquatia for nyina so nko to aba man hwan, Asiedu. Yan ko to aba ma solo gala. Na solo gala nya den. When you go there, you tell them the reason why they have to vote for your party. Udie anka ukra de anka so hunyansa chen Kennedy because udie now we vice president. Wona okacha Aquatia for say omotuma mamoba power 2016 a Aquatia akora bie ni wa onye adwuma nye. Oka say bebie ni Aquatia nsuo mba ho. Oka say be asphalt road 17-inch wa Aquatia. Oka kire Aquatia for 8 years. Now no yere tenkran pre asase ho. Wo Bawumia, wo no yere chadini no. Chadini no. Samere. Now when ne tenkran and am one nkran for pre asase ho. You never went to Aquatia to tell them say edwuma na obekretia mom no anfa mom. What said Jimmy Ashe atadia kwa kujina wo say ai enazime owo ye no and am nim and nipa na and a lawyer na enti anya den. De bia okasa I say you are belching. Okasa I say o ubecuse. De bia okasa I say bibisha wo ha afena I say we dibofro kwan o pese epie bantam. Era de mudi o Jimmy o. Bawumia kasa I say we diam pesie ma body aloko and I'm winning. And I said, you want to belch. I said, the opposite QC. I said, the baby shall bo. And Kwasia Kikani Jimmy. My your politics are check. But you always fail the fundamental test. The fundamental test, no. And now some Muslim John Mahama. John Mahama does not do such silly politics. In opposition, you never saw him do such silly politics. If you have a message, let the message go. Debia bibi shall bo. Debia body obo. When the Makobi can say here, and today you are belching. I said, the Bibi shall bo. And now, only Kennedy and Kwasiade, and Nitina Bryan Acheampong come forward any time to come and talk nonsense. Bryan Acheampong, or Tina no analyze only Kennedy, and who's a mummy and Jimmy. On no Bryan, or Jimmy Fo, but Ostedin who say, Some penny for me and Jimmy, me a me show up and go for because I'm better than a penny for no. Even though Bryan who's with Jimmy no, or who's a mummy and when you channel, where Jimmy. And it's in oil the oil. Now, how can you, a former vice president, head of a police council, former head of police council, you have been even the commander in chief before, because now the Dankweku for the majority of the time he had traveled to go take care of his balls, and you speak like vaguely like Uniminyansa. The BIS OQSU. Okasabia is okay. I said the bia body buaka o minimum. I said the bia what the brobe, wouldn't brobe. I said brobe chu. And you know, and I dare the bia brobe chu. You have been locked by brobe. Bawumia. Just me who's a minimum that what makasa hello, how are you? The bia brobe chu. And you know, and my people. Yeah, no, she cry. And the only petition goes to the say cry. Now we are Jimmy. Now we are Sako Jinem. This man, Wait. It's not young man be or shame me free Aquatia no. Also we mu de bebre medjuma. Wa mamu 8 years. Time na mubedi power. Na akora bia owo Aquatia we di 10 years. Mu free power no we di 18 years. Time mubedi power. Akora bia na owo oto aba first time na we di 18 years wa Aquatia. Mu free power na we di 26 years. Aramewa. Now, as we speak, sa nipa no a dear impact na munya o mo brabom. 2016, akwara bi okosa light to abama wo Bawumia na Ekufuado no we di 18 years. Move free power no we di be 26 years. 26, 24 years or 26 years. Time a free power. 2016, akwara bi na owo SSA wo owo SSA or to abama 2016 eto abama woni Ekufuado and the free power in 2024 no na sa akora de 26 years busa ho Bawumia say a dear pa na wutumi ye e change sa nipa ne life wasa do Jimmy abegina ho mo sa nkwasiafo ya saba say yesa aka 9 pe na 9 na aka ro de yeden 9 pe na aka no mo de yeden and de bia me ka kire omommo Akwatia NPP omo yadadafo on some bedi nkwasem nye ewie nya omo nyina asa konkran they are in Accra right now Nketiah Japan anadwi yemian so hye de ne esim yare bia bi won ho Nketiah Japan obo ne boso a okofoma o mabiem me no ka say anadwi sa ejankana waso akọware ne ja osono maame no ne nice sinsuom ene ade na botwe say yede asisi bucketim ene otewo ono terminator wo ne magu America Nketiah Japan etuotu ochina tan ewa Akwatia ne baba akumpo hunka ne bana na bodwe ofu se de on draw teletabis no kwasi ampen otetema oso oton kokko Chinese fo nkokko a ya gotira ne aguso a ashe fridge me 8 years no asesa begu a hello I'm selling chicken on force no oton mamudi wakotira nkran ba obi ameka nkwasem we wie wasafo ka okonkran na bi mo omugwoja ntrafo so anadwi na wote wo mankwasiafo we keka nkwasiasam ochina me eko mentina ha enforce obi o Akwatia setoma NDC basa wadwini ye adwuma pa ma me kire wade one we a young man upe juma aban we or the coders program aba or say apply you have chance to be part or the entrepreneurship program aba me no ka say yafa nipa almost 12,000 a police assistant ebeti omuka bosumi bia yafa nipa 5,000 fire service fire assistant bosumi ebeti omuka me no ka say aban we is making sure say eye immebunu na munyama displaced no aban we is creating opportunities so we a young man na o Akwatia o SS o Babeko University next year NDC aban so o university first year untua kapre it is our SS no your future your first year's future next year has been sorted by NDC aban we your MP needs to be there he needs to sit with the president and we abaywa or heading senior high school and every month be and you know say enya kura no anticipate payday you will get your sanitary pad now wa moye ekuafo a mo sa area ho aban way through Erikopoku or ye agric minister me no ka say farmer service center equipment or call Belgium ni Europe eko Putin they are coming omo ba be build it farmer service center ekuafo ehia se wekue wo tractor ehia se wekue ni wo plower de ehia se wo be farmer service center wo no akobuki ni aba be budwa ya betwi wefo so amawo ya ma fertilizer ya ma insecticide ya ma edua akwadua ba akwadua sana aban no o MP or parliamentar for all you know no o MP betim na kwato agric committee so o generic opoku so Eric ya me hono first santin ye to aba saa de bi ne ye de to aba na ye nto aba se we de me MPP ni saa bi na asantefo ne ye ya ende for almost 40 years oma to aba ma MPP abesi ne omuntimi for mon sanchira de ba akoso asantememu eno ne ma asantefo ni bia omunim nyansa ne sesa omo adwene in 2024 eto abati a MPP asantini kura po se de MPP twa de furuma no 2024 ofa no ho adwene na wa wuti Akwatia asantini na ose oye de hia ye te party no 24 se tutu fie a eyo omo dia no 2024 ose on toma MPP e se MPP for emu asantefo wa wuti Akwatia adehia kura twe for omo adehia mo asantimemu omo twe for omo bo na wa wuti Akwatia ono ombu so ye dehia da be na MPP wini power ose ye mfa 2 million ko kire Akwatia hene da be na matibida da be na MPP wini 2 million ye se ye nko eye Akwatia man hene ho ana ohene owa Akwatia na ye nkaka nchense ye wini 2 million da be na wuti bi party no omo hu Akwatia fo so omo ye MPP fo MPP for tena radio so omo se MPP no eye asantefo party mi bu samu Akwatia fo mo ya asantefo omo tena TV so a 2024 ye ko running mate MPP ne ka kire eye Bawumia se wenya santini a omo pamo no sana Aquatia ho omo se party ne asantefo party omo fa napo na sana Aquatia ho sana enaskumi ho but omo se party no eye asantefo party enti mo Aquatia no ehe na mo fete party we plans him ehe fa na mo fete wo Aquatia MPP for plans. I'm asking you that Belgian MPP and the respect ma Aquatia hene MPP and if you ba ko pe no minimo otu for so omo hia to me a say MPP ni hia to me a omo say eya kanfo party mu nyina yam kan humbom na entumi fa MPP ne mra na yam bebo akanfo omo gi to me a omo say menhia frɛ eya santefo na tie ye nana eye de baafo akoto e na tete ne mo remu £700 mente say omo nya power aka say ye de yemfa eye to me ne nkɔkire akwatiafo omo hia mo to me omo hia mo power akonkran akodi matam NDC for no they have stuck with you for years. At least disrespect them, disrespect me with that. And Sesiano, NDC betna abemwa che. So ope impuntia consider NDC candidates as simple. So ope sa wotina sa dienim sene beya o minor air cost no ebe din se o MP mumpo onti brofu. Ya troma na ontumi summarize. Na onim John Mahama wan na okoka na asem se yemfa bibimbra Aquatia mondwini o na Nketiah Japan no obekeka ne kwasa sebiye no wakoda na yirechi e won kran Mahamudu Bawumia ende one samere anadwi etuam san kwasiafo me ededere nyina mo jam ho kurase wokɔ party ni se obeboa mo munyi mu hu nipa na momfa ne nkonkran na JM ne ntena se na ombusa ne se de na menyama ho nkɔfo munyi mu hu nipa a oye NDC ni na onko JM office won kran na JM mbusa le say e na wonkofo no soma wo se be ka kire me na memfa ma wona fa kɔ mukoyi John wei a o hye half shoe a obeduru nkran no be hu abijanfo ma na mu hu ni biem mukoyi solo na solo kakran obeduru nkran na obehu abijanfo no ewo RE area ho na so obehu abijanfo do ba mienu na obetesti Abidjan for Nigeria for the kakra won kran more than man 4 years mu hu no because solo no ono de oya ade ne anete hu no oya adwuma solo onye suit ni o solo ono onye ede onye yeye solo brofo tintin ompe emwa no solo party ni power solo ni obi a wo kana asema kire no solo nti politics na se o to aba edi mpuntu beba fie to aba edi mpuntu beba to aba ebeboa ene wasefo NDC for no enye kurenti se payday so MP wa aban mu a ende me no ka say afenyomakin it does not matter the day of bed of parliament a new NDC MP e ho onfa so cha afenyomakin MP a oye NDC MP a waba foforo even independent candidate Kwame eye A+ or the ho onfa so cha afenyomakin of parliament so Kwame A+ e bibi wa NDC wa he will be served before afenyomakin. Enti awso motiasie abana yeto no oto aba from puntuo enya party nti party ne ba ATS no yanka Aquatiafo yanya Aquatia MP bia minister yantamo bia mfiri Aquatia ankotena Jubilee House yama Aquatia MP bia enimonyam hye bia wo ekufo ne Bawumia ATS no ebesi nne ende na Aquatiafo MPP beka je sodomo ye running mate yan consider Aquatia ni ye cabinet ministers yan consider Aquatia ni enna party free power na aka di 33 pe parliament no ena oka Aquatia ye ntumi fa Aquatia nyankwase adwuma Aquatia enso hia empuntio ochena 7 o'clock mondane Aquatia destiny imebunu na omowo Aquatia no omo hia mmoa aban we aba okuta mmoa de sebio yabo bi ehye nsem no ode na yeto nwoma no at least enye kura na ntise payday se NDC ni ko parliament okuta tumi kakra okuta ede connection kakra owo influence kakra Asiedu me se ode ne have su no du nkran na Ivory Coast fo ni bie omoto no so kire na mu hu ni biem on se me ka se obi agene yire nani aso wona komam Asiedu solo gala yaso obi agene yire na komamu nani aso wona komamu when you broken heart dadawo into onamwa on to me concentrating ponkasa me panasem nanso politics nye na dwuma me dono but politics enye solo dwuma into ochina 7 o'clock Aquatia for monsesa monsa mondane to me Emma de bibi woni nsem bebi eduru de bibi woni nsem ene de to me dan nsem de obetumi mpuntu aba de bia be we mebu me se akokọ a oben oni akokọ be a aba a oben oni no di abebesere yekotwi soroku ebedi atam ede to me ede masolo na okaka 33 for no ho a for the next 42 years Aquatia be yemmobo na me nso Aquatia man enyansafo wom Aquatia man omodwene ko ekire sebio tumi na abeda ho na ye pritumi abafia ye sa primpuntu aka ho otam tumi we masolo a mebusa o so ochena otu abane wie masolo a ede ebiem otu abane masolo ewia as NPP solo a ede na ode tumi ne ye sa MP na ode masolo no ode yeden onfanya den mebusa wo Aquatia ni a wo hwe me ode tumi masolo ochena ede na onfa tumi ne nye because parliament omo 33 edi tumi no de be den na amawo e be de otumi nya influence amawo e den na obetumi de aba solo ntumi nya kwan solo ntumi mbie adwuma aban adwuma wa Aquatia solo ntumi mefa mbeburu 10,000 for mo adwuma solo ntumi fa president impomba mechens Aquatia de ekosuni solo oni tumi bia ye de tumi ene ye de kyekere man ntimi de obanyansafo ye bu ni be ye nkana sem okoto aba ochina abusa ho se abana mekoto no metu wie ochina ekira asem bibinti ena akire asrewa o ma ne be aduane ane oyi ne ato nchen ye beto aba no na ekira asem ntu to aba ato aba pa se de be ekira asem no ebetumi ye ayeden ade pa ma wo oto aba no wie a no aka kire wo se meto ma NDC na wa ban mu afi de mi demand bibia o demand na ni bre so na wotuma solo a uko demand dien ena wo demand ne kwan be so solo be ka che o se nya me party na wa ban mu mintumi mfa mpuntuo ma mintumi nya wo kwan mintumi nya bibia obanwinwi sa 42 years dan won sane fama NDC ni no na kutani boduam na ka che nsa me de tumi ma o every so ka che nsa o de John Mahama ni mpuntuo be breme eno ena metwen metoma wo NDC ni no every so ka che nsa me mebunu no mo ha no farmer service center any apprenticeship program ye befa omo adwuma police service ye befa omo adwuma enti me di 2 minute e ma o e wo sa oto aba ma mpuntuo ba ye nto aba ntungu sa woni ma de kodi enti akoto aba ochina mento sa woni engina so a wo de kwakoto aba na mento but e wo so unya engina so ne se mpuntuo beba na so obese mpuntuo ba fie dia fa 2 mi no e ma NDC ni no bidin e de cabinet ko be ritula ochina ye beba aba wo numbers no ye nim se de besi wa adwiri boni bia se wo Aquatia akodi boni no to daka esifie every say wa obetwitu Aquatia ibekun wa obeye keke Aquatia bechiwa bo police for no awon mo muntie.
We have an important assignment to execute in Aquatia, and the assignment is to provide security for the by-elections for the Aquatia constituency. Now, the constituency is divided into 119 polling stations. We have 21 electoral areas and 1 collation center and 1 constituency. As you may all be aware, the Ghana Police Service, in collaboration with other sister security agencies, have provided and continue to provide security arrangements for all our elections in this country. We want to assure all the citizens, the political parties, and the journalists of their safety and security during this exercise. I must say that as part of our effort to ensure that we have free and fair elections, the Ghana Police Service Management Board, led by the Inspector General of Police, Christian Tete Yohonu, engaged with the Electoral Commission and had some conversations or discussions and modalities regarding how the by-election in Aquatia is going to be conducted. These discussions were very fruitful and informed some changes in how the EC intends to run the elections at Aquatia. The POMAP members also had an engagement with both political parties, the major political parties, the NDC and the NPP. And during these engagements, their concerns and their fears were laid bare by the Inspector General of Police, reassured all of them of the professionalism and the commitment of the Ghana Police Service to deliver on its mandate by providing security for all the political parties as well as all the electorates that will be participating in this exercise. We also had an encounter with civil society organizations, including the Peace Council, and all our engagements was to reassure them of our commitment, dedication, and professionalism in delivering on our statutory mandate. And as part of this engagement, we have deployed 5,500 police personnel for this by-election. All the personnel have gone round to familiarize themselves with their polling stations and the electoral areas where they will be performing their duties. As part of these engagements, the police personnel will get themselves involved in community engagements to reassure the communities, the electorates, that they should not fear. They should all come out and cast their votes, exercise their rights as good citizens of this country.
So that is it there from the Ghana Police Service. They are ready. They are on standby. They'll make sure peace prevail tomorrow. NDC in Aquatia, activate. NDC in Aquatia, activate. This is the voice of Honorable Bawumia. All cameras should be activated from tonight. Ochna, Anopa, activate, activate, activate. NDC in Aquatia, activate all cameras. We are sharp, we'll get it done. Activate.